Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix a wrong deposit and payment in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever accidentally entered incorrect payment details or deposited funds to the wrong account, this process will help you clean up those errors and ensure your books stay accurate. Let's start by navigating to the left menu and clicking on Sales. This section houses all your customer-related transactions and is where we'll begin troubleshooting. From here, click on Customers to pull up your complete customer list. You'll need to search for and select the specific customer whose payment or deposit needs correcting. Once you found them, click directly on the customer row. This action will open up their transaction list, giving you a detailed view of all their payment history and activity with your business. Now, take a moment to locate the incorrect payment within this list. When you spot it, look to the far right column and click View SLAT. This opens the payment record so you can make changes. At the lower part of the screen, you'll see a button labeled More. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm this action to prevent accidental deletions, so go ahead and click Yes. This removes the incorrect payment from the deposit and clears it from the customer's record. If the issue extends to the deposit itself and it needs editing, you'll need to access your chart of accounts. Click on Transactions in the main menu, then select Chart of Accounts. Here, find and click on the bank account register that contains the problematic deposit. This register shows all deposits and withdrawals for that specific account. Scroll through and locate the wrong deposit entry. Click on it to open the details, then click Delete to remove it entirely from your records. Now that you've cleared out the incorrect entries, it's time to re-enter everything correctly. Click the plus New button at the top of your screen, then select Receive Payment from the options. This opens a fresh payment form where you can enter the correct payment details, including the proper amount, date, and account information. Make sure everything is accurate this time to avoid having to repeat this process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.